Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Network Notes. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we will learn a little bit more about strings, then how to get uh, inputs from user, and then how to do typecasting. Let's begin. So strings, uh, we know that when we write something between single or double quotes, that's known as strings. For example, int is known as strings, but this is known as single and string. Uh, Today we are going to learn how to do multi-line string. Let's say I want to write hi, then comma, then I want to write my name in another line. In this way, my name is taken. Let's see, is this work or not? No, it's not worked in the way I want. So for that reason, what I can do is uh, I can use triple quote like we use in uh, multi-line comments. Yeah, we can use single quote or double quote here, it doesn't matter, but we need to use it 3 times to make multi-line string. Now let's run it. I minus done. I minus done. So between these three triple quotes, whatever we write and however we write, this will uh, print as it as the way we write. Like for example, if I put here on this gap and let's run this program, it's print as I write the code here. So this is how we can make multi-line string. Now let's see how Python characters are indexed. uh, let's write something here. Learn to get to let's make it variable name. Now name. So the Python characters are indexed in this way. 0 1 2 3 6 7. Yeah. So the first character means 0, the second character means 1, the third character means 2. So in this way the Python characters get indexed. So if I want to get the first character, then I just need to use square bracket, and for the first character I just need to use 0, and then let's run it m. The first character is m, the number of the character is 0, so let's print it. If I want to print my names, then the my names this whole thing, then the s starts at 8, ends at 8, m starts at 0, and the s starts at 8, but I need to use 9 here. Let me show you. So 0 to 9. Let's run it. My names, if I use here 0 to 8, then it will print only my name apostrophe. That's it, because it will end the last character before the eighth character. So if we use here 0 to 9, then it will print from the first 9 character. So 0 to 8 means the first 9 character. If I want to get the last character, and then what I can do, then I need to count the whole thing, 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, what I can do is I can use in negative way, negative 1. it will print the last character. And if I only want to print this name, the name, then what I can do is 1 2 3 4 5, then I can only make here. Then I start at -5, but I didn't put any end here, so it will end at, at the last. So starts from -5 and end at n. Same for the positive numbers as well. If we start at some point and if we didn't put any end, then it will print the whole thing. Or if we use here 9 and didn't put any start, then it will start from 0 and end at 9. My names, yeah. So this way how the Python indexer worked. Now let's see how we can get input from user. First name, let's write, yeah, first name. Couldn't write anything here in the terminal. I couldn't get put any input here. So for that reason, I need to use the input function. Input, now again, your first name, Dylan. Now I can write anything here because I use the input function. So to get input from a user, we just need to use the input function and put that inside, put that into a variable and call that variable later by print. Now let's write write something else like year of birth. Let's make another variable birth year. Put then input year of birth and then age. There's another variable age 2023 minus birth year, print name, print birth year, print age. Student, student information. Just try to make look it a bit nice. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, so what I did here, I uh, use two variable to get the input from user to get the user's name, his birth year, and then I use another variable to get his age. So to get his age, what I did is I use the present year, which is 2023, and I deduct his birth year from the present year. Then we'll get his age. Now let's see, is it work or not? First name Bilan, then year of birth, let's say 1999. And it's supposed to print my age because I use here the present year and deduct my birth year. Now let's see what happened here. See, it's isn't working because let's take a look of this type error. It says unsupported operand types for integer and string because it can't deduct integer. Uh, I mean, it can't deduct string from an integer. So here, birth year is known as a integer and sorry string, and the 2023 it's a integer. So to solve this problem, we need to convert this string to a integer. This is called typecasting. So to do that, what we can do is we can use only integer function, the whole thing another inside of first bracket. Now let's run it. First name began 1999. Now it's worked perfectly. So this is the way to convert integer to string, or what we can do it in other way as well. We can use the integer function here. Integer, put the birth year inside a bracket, began 1999. Worked in this way as well. So we just need to use the integer function to get to make this string integer. That's it for today. Thank you for staying this too long. See you in the next video.